Hello and welcome to Abhishek Products by SK Graphics, and we are very happy to announce to you that we are now an authorized reseller for Entrust data card printers. And in today's very special video, we will be discussing about the unboxing of the DataCard SD360 printer. We will be going through a brief explanation of all the products and all the services that you get out of the box in the printer, and we will be also discussing about the demo and the special software used to print Aadhaar cards in this new series called the DataCard Printer series. So you can subscribe to our channel to get latest and greatest updates about this new series of videos that are especially focused on the DataCard SD360 printer model. So let's begin the video and stay tuned for more updates on the demo of the printer and the special software for printing Aadhaar card. The unboxing of DataCard printer SD360. So in the box you get the following items. First we get a power cable. The second item that we get is a tested card, and the serial number of the printer is printed on the testing card.
This is a total accessory kit in the printer.
This is the total accessory kit.
In that accessory kit, you will get USB cable of the.
We get the standard USB type 2 cable.
Driver CDs and user manual.
We get the user manual, and then we get this driver CD along with the printer.
This is a power adapter.
This is the power adapter of the printer. This adapter will help you protect your printer against any power fluctuation. And then we have this cleaning kit roller knob. And along with the printer we get these cleaning swabs, which are very important to maintain the life of your printer. And then we have the printer itself. As you can see, the printer is packed with thermocol and cardboard and a double corrugated box. So this will make sure that your printer is safe in transport or courier. And this is just a small piece which is not any function to the printer. It is just to prevent any odor. So this is how the SD360 printer comes along, and these are all the accessories that we saw earlier that comes along with the printer.